What's going on, guys? So I thought I'd make a kind of a review video today. So I'm going to be testing out these Amazon LED lights. My bulb, actually, my winter meter actually blew out, so I was like, you know what, I could replace this bulb with just a regular bulb, but I'm like, you know what, why don't I try out these LEDs? So today, check out these guys here. These up off of that. Pick these are called the C6 LED headlights, 9006. Or for my car, it would also be the HB4. But yeah, this is these old ones. I already pulled one of them out of the board. Let's take a look at what this looks like. So you got your packaging, maintenance book, operating manual. Surprisingly, it's in Chinese and in English, which is good, which you would expect, right? It's coming out from Amazon, but some of the stuff from Amazon does come straight from China too. But overall, looking at the lights, they don't actually look too bad. Not bad, decent build quality. But yeah, let's head on down to the car and do a quick install on these things. We'll do it before and after, and I'll keep one light in, and then we'll take the other one out and see what they look like. Let's get into it. So got the here. Alright guys, so I'll just show you guys. We'll pop the hood open here. Alright guys, so I already popped open this guy here with a little clip. A little bit hard to see. It's already kind of been disconnected. So we pretty much just kind of do a turning motion, pull it out. On the back. Pretty straightforward. Like, this is not rocket science, guys. We're changing lights here, but let's do a quick before and after. This light is already out. I'll show you guys what both of them looks like. So we pretty much just connect them straight in. Alright guys, so we got a little bit of a before. These headlights are kind of dull, you know, they're all kind of beat up, but that's the before, and then that's the after there. Really nicely looking light for sure. Yeah, push that one over. That one's super yellow, but that one's a bit of a pain to get to too, so I might take the wheel off and go to that one. That one, everything's pretty easily accessible, but that was pretty good. I gotta say, that was a super easy install. Really straightforward. Just LED lights, replacing the old ones. There's no anti-flickers or anything that you need for my car. So, but yeah, I'm gonna try to make an update video maybe in a couple months to see how well these LEDs are actually lasting. Because at my shop we sell everything ProWorks, Speed Even. We sell like all the high-end lights too. But I just want to see, get a comparison between the quality. You really get better, value for what you buy when you get those high-end kits. But yeah, we'll test this one out and see how it goes. If you guys like the video, make sure you guys subscribe.